Hi everyone, this is Sebastian at Gogg's Camperway, Mankato, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at the Jayco Bungalow 40 loft. One thing you're going to notice is the incredible amount of windows here in the front. You're going to get a lot of natural light in, no matter really where you are. Nice G20 tinted windows, so that way people aren't just peeking in. This does have the thermal package on it, so we call it essentially like a 3.5 season camper. The official verbiage technically is like extending your camping season, so they really say like March and October you're able to camp. So you got outlet there, manual jacks, awning, you got your speaker system here, you got another outlet right there, so if you want to have a whole bunch of people just sitting out here having a great time, chairs, the whole works, pop the awning, you're able to very comfortably set up a table, TV, food. So on the back here, you're going to realize we got our ladder. You have our 50 amp connection, our TV input. Like I said, this does have manual jacks. City water connection, outside shower, furnace and low point drains. You have your gray and then black holding tanks. Then up here in the front, you have your place to put your batteries and your propane tanks. If you guys are interested in this 40 loft bungalow at all, my name is Sebastian here at Gogg's Camperway, Mankato. So let's step up and in. So one of the first things we're going to walk into here is you're going to notice some extra countertop space, and just below it is where our Dirt Devil vacuum system is. So when we go over here and see the stairs, I'll show you where they put the hoses and stuff. Up here they hide the switches and everything. So you got your awnings, your slide outs, your water pump, LP gas, water heater, the whole works. Okay. You have an Insignia fridge and freezer. Overall very nice. Lots of storage space that goes up and above the fridge there. Nice microwave. Very big microwave. That's a high point microwave. We got an Insignia stovetop and oven. Drawer space, plenty of drawer space. And then this is essentially like your pantry right here. And then we have an island behind us. Now, if you need even more countertop space, you're able to put these on the sink, and bam, you got a little bit more room to work with as far as countertop space goes. But if you wanted to take these off, get access to the sink. It's a double-sided sink, so you're able to clean your dishes, let them dry on this side. Boom, ready to go. So lots of countertop space on this island. We do have a 4-seater for the dining table. A very nice recliner, which is more of like a light brown. That's the best way to describe it. Then above the head storage there. Nice light that sits between the dinette and the couch. And look at all that nice window space. And that brings you to your entertainment stand. Storage there, fireplace there, storage there. Storage there, nice big TV that comes with it. The couch does pull out into a sleeper. You got the ottoman and extra storage underneath there. Okay. Obviously we came in through the nice big screen door, which does have the curtain. Go into the bathroom here, you're going to see this amazing sized bathroom. So you got your toilet. Huge toiletry closet above. Your hooks, and then you got your shower. So I'm 6'1". You're at my eye level, and we still got feet above us in the bathroom. So lots of space, lots of room. You're gonna be very comfortable in this. And you got your vanity here, medicine cabinet. And remember how I said that it has a vacuum system? So here's where the hoses will be for that. Check that out. So this will go upstairs, which gives you this nice loft. It does have an exit window up here. So you get 2 beds. You have an AC up here. Nice place to, I don't know, set your phone, charging port up here. Place to put your TV up there. You got your plug-ins. And the nice little closet space. So overall, not too bad. Great place to put kids. But if you guys have any questions on this 40 loft at all, my name is Sebastian here at Gogg's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Our phone number, 507-345-5858. Let's go into the bedroom quick here. The bedroom is incredibly great sized. Tons of storage. As far as the eye can see, pretty much for storage on this wall. And underneath the bed is all storage as well. So you're going to be able to put your stuff here comfortably. Provides a lot of livability, quite honestly. And here in the bedroom you do have a slide out control. So like I said, my name is Sebastian here at Gogg's Camperway in Mankato. Feel free to give us a call, 507-345-5858.